Good morning, everyone. Bill here again to give some insight on how to register your HS600D drone. I didn't see any solid instructions out there for this drone, and I ran into a few snags. Hopefully this quick video will help someone else save time. Let's go into our virtual classroom for some quick instructions. The first thing you're going to do is go to the FAA drone website. See the URL noted below. Now, you'll need to click on Create Account and set up your account. Don't worry, account setup is easy and it is free. You will, however, need to pay $5 for the certification after the account is set up. Once you're in your account, you'll need to click on the Add Service tab. You'll want to click on the Drone Owners and Pilots tab and set up for a recreational-only registration. Make sure you pay close attention to all the rules they lay out, as you and you alone are responsible for knowing what a recreational license allows you to do. You will be asked to give some information about your drone. The model number for this is the HS600D. The company is Holy Stone. You will also be asked for the remote ID number. I had trouble finding this. You will find yours on a sticker located just above your SD card slot. Once you have all the information typed in correctly, you'll receive a confirmation email stating your drone has been added. Wait, you're not done yet. If you read your confirmation email, you'll see you need to take and pass the UAS safety test. Don't worry, it's not hard, and there is no additional cost. You can click on this link to get to a list of test centers. Now, once you click on that link in your email, it will bring you to this site. Scroll down and click on the Trust Test Administrator's link. You now have a list of test centers. I chose the top one. Once you're in, you'll simply enroll in the free training. It will walk you through training and simple test questions. I advise strongly to pay attention to every instruction in detail. Once again, you and you alone are responsible for getting properly certified and knowing all the rules regarding flying your drone. I hope this tutorial helps someone get this registration done with a little less headache. If you appreciate tutorials like this one, please like and subscribe, as that helps all of us create more content and help each other out. Until next time, God bless.